Welcome back to our channel, Nicheur. Watch our video, don't miss to subscribe our channel, or visit our website, nicheur.com, using AI tools for copywriting. AI tools are becoming more and more important as they develop for many businesses' digital marketing strategies. From research and ideation to content design, optimization, review, and performance measurement, artificial intelligence, AI, can assist marketers with a wide range of jobs. It's critical that we augment our creativity with these tools rather than trying to replace it. Do you fear that copywriting may become outdated due to AI tools? Are you curious about how to give AI content a human touch? Find out how AI writing tools might be your allies and assist you in producing fantastic digital content by reading on. In this blog, we'll explore what are the main AI tools for copywriting, how to use AI for your copywriting, conduct research, generate ideas, create first drafts, edit content, which AI copywriting techniques are essential. Copywriting is just one of the many marketing activities that AI solutions are utilized for. Focusing on just 3 or 4 tools is the best way to use generative AI effectively. It could be tempting to test every new product that comes out, but you'll probably get better results if you stick to a small number of instruments and get proficient with them. There are currently 4 important AI-powered chatbots to take into account: ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI; Claude from Anthropic; Gemini, Google's model; Copilot, Microsoft's AI assistant. Note: version changes are ongoing, and not all tools are currently accessible in all regions. Let's take a closer look at each tool. As a copywriter, these 4 models or tools are the most helpful to me. Since each has certain qualities of its own, I frequently switch between them based on what I require. 1. OpenAI's GPT-4 Overview. GPT-4, developed by OpenAI, represents a significant advancement in artificial intelligence, particularly in the realm of natural language processing, NLP. As the successor to GPT-3, it continues to build upon the strengths of its predecessors, offering enhanced capabilities and performance. Core features: 1. Advanced natural language understanding. GPT-4 excels in understanding and generating human-like text. It can comprehend complex instructions and generate coherent, contextually appropriate responses. 2. Larger model size. GPT-4 is built with a larger number of parameters compared to GPT-3, which enhances its ability to generate more nuanced and accurate text. 3. Enhanced context management. Improved context handling allows GPT-4 to maintain consistency and relevance over longer conversations or documents, making it ideal for creating extensive content or engaging in detailed discussions. 4. Multimodal capabilities. GPT-4 can process and generate not only text but also other forms of data, such as images, when used with appropriate tools, expanding its utility beyond text-based applications. 5. Higher accuracy and precision. With more training data and refined algorithms, GPT-4 delivers more accurate and precise responses, reducing errors and increasing the reliability of the generated content. Applications. 1. Content creation. Blog posts and articles. GPT-4 can generate high-quality, well-structured articles and blog posts, helping writers and marketers produce content efficiently. Marketing copy. It can create compelling marketing copy, including product descriptions, ad campaigns, and promotional material. Creative writing. From poetry to storytelling, GPT-4 can assist in generating creative content that resonates with audiences. 2. Customer support. Chatbots. GPT-4 can power chatbots that provide customer support, handling queries with a human-like touch. Email responses. It can automate email responses, ensuring timely and relevant customer communication. 3. Education and e-learning. Tutoring. GPT-4 can serve as a virtual tutor, explaining complex concepts in simple terms and answering students' questions. Content generation. It can help create educational materials, such as lesson plans, quizzes, and explanatory articles. 4. Translation and localization. GPT-4 can translate text between multiple languages with high accuracy, making it useful for content localization and global communication. 5. Research assistance. Data analysis. GPT-4 can assist researchers by summarizing large volumes of text, extracting key insights, and even suggesting new research directions. Report generation. It can help in drafting reports, papers, and summaries, saving researchers valuable time. GPT-4 represents a powerful tool for anyone involved in content creation, customer support, education, and more. Its advanced capabilities make it a valuable asset for enhancing productivity and generating high-quality, engaging content. Claude by Anthropic. Overview. Claude is an advanced AI language model developed by Anthropic, an AI safety and research company. Named presumably after Claude Shannon, the father of information theory, Claude aims to push the boundaries of natural language processing while emphasizing safety and alignment with human values. Core features. 1. Ethical considerations. Claude is designed with a strong emphasis on ethical AI development. Anthropic focuses on creating AI systems that are safe, reliable, and aligned with human values, reducing the risk of harmful or biased outputs. 2. Advanced natural language understanding. Claude excels in understanding and generating human-like text. It can handle complex instructions and generate coherent, contextually appropriate responses across a wide range of topics. 3. Improved contextual awareness. Claude can maintain context over longer conversations or documents, ensuring consistency and relevance in their responses. This makes it suitable for applications that require extended interactions or detailed content generation. 4. Multimodal capabilities. While primarily focused on text, Claude can integrate with other data modalities, enhancing its versatility in various applications, such as integrating text with images or structured data. 5. User-friendly interface. Claude is designed to be accessible and easy to use, with interfaces that cater to both technical and non-technical users. This broadens its applicability across different industries and user groups. Applications. 1. Content creation, blog posts and articles. Claude can generate high-quality articles and blog posts, assisting writers and marketers in producing content efficiently. Marketing copy. It can create compelling marketing materials, including product descriptions, ad copy, and social media posts. Creative writing. Claude can assist in crafting stories, poems, and other creative content. 2. Customer support, chatbots. Claude powers intelligent chatbots capable of handling customer queries with a human-like touch. Improving customer service experiences, email automation. It can automate email responses, ensuring timely and personalized customer communication. 3. Education and e-learning, tutoring. Claude can act as a virtual tutor, explaining complex subjects and answering students' questions clearly and concisely. Content development. It can help create educational content, including lesson plans, quizzes, and instructional materials. 4. Research assistance, data analysis. Claude can assist researchers by summarizing large volumes of text, extracting key insights, and providing suggestions for further research. Report writing. It can help draft reports, academic papers, and executive summaries, saving researchers valuable time. 5. Translation and localization. Claude can translate text between multiple languages with high accuracy, making it a valuable tool for content localization and global communication. Ethical AI development. Anthropic's mission centers around creating AI systems that are aligned with human values and beneficial to society. This involves rigorous testing, ongoing refinement, and a commitment to transparency in AI development. Claude is a testament to these principles, aiming to set a high standard for ethical AI in the industry. Claude represents a significant step forward in natural language processing, offering advanced capabilities while maintaining a strong focus on safety and ethics. Its versatility and user-friendly design make it a valuable tool for a wide range of applications, from content creation to customer support and beyond. 2. Gemini by Google Model. Overview. Gemini is a family of next-generation multimodal AI models developed by Google DeepMind. This suite of AI models aims to advance the capabilities of artificial intelligence by integrating various forms of data and tasks, building on the success of Google's prior models. Core features. 1. Multimodal capabilities, integration of different data types. Gemini is designed to process and understand multiple forms of data, such as text, images, audio, and video. This allows it to perform a wide range of tasks that require a holistic understanding of different data types. Contextual understanding. By integrating multimodal data, Gemini can provide more accurate and contextually relevant responses, enhancing its utility across various applications. 2. Advanced Natural Language Processing, NLP, enhanced language understanding. Building on the strengths of previous models like BERT and T5, Gemini offers improved capabilities in understanding and generating human-like text. Context management. Gemini can maintain context over long interactions, making it suitable for applications requiring sustained and coherent exchanges. 3. Cross-disciplinary applications. Unified task processing. Gemini is designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from natural language processing and image recognition to audio processing and video analysis, within a single framework. Versatile use cases. It can be applied in various domains, including healthcare, education, entertainment, and more, demonstrating flexibility in addressing diverse challenges. 4. Scalability and efficiency. Optimized performance. Gemini models are optimized for efficiency, ensuring they can be deployed at scale while maintaining high performance. Resource management. Advanced algorithms help manage computational resources effectively, making the models suitable for both large-scale and smaller, more targeted applications. Applications. 1. Healthcare, medical imaging. Gemini can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, assisting in the diagnosis and treatment of various conditions. Patient communication. It can facilitate better communication between healthcare providers and patients through advanced NLP capabilities, improving patient care and information dissemination. 2. Education. Personalized learning. Gemini can create customized educational content by understanding the needs and preferences of individual learners, enhancing the learning experience. Tutoring and support. It can serve as a virtual tutor, providing explanations, answering questions, and offering additional resources to students. 3. Entertainment and media. Content creation. Gemini can assist in generating creative content, such as scripts, storylines, and multimedia presentations, enhancing the production process in the entertainment industry. Recommendation systems. By understanding user preferences across different media types, Gemini can provide personalized recommendations for movies, music, and more. 4. Customer support. Intelligent chatbots. Gemini can power advanced chatbots that handle customer queries efficiently, providing accurate and helpful responses in real time. Multimodal assistance. It can integrate text, voice, and visual data to offer comprehensive support across various communication channels. 5. Business and marketing. Data analysis. Gemini can analyze large datasets, providing insights and predictions that help businesses make informed decisions. Marketing campaigns. It can generate targeted marketing content and strategies by understanding consumer behavior across different platforms. Ethical AI development. Google DeepMind emphasizes ethical considerations in the development and deployment of Gemini models. This involves rigorous testing, transparency in model training, and ongoing efforts to mitigate biases and ensure the models align with human values. Gemini represents a significant advancement in AI, with its multimodal capabilities and wide range of applications. By integrating various data types and tasks, it offers a powerful tool for addressing complex challenges across different industries while emphasizing ethical AI practices. Copilot by Microsoft. Overview. Microsoft's Copilot is an advanced AI-powered assistant integrated into various Microsoft products, primarily targeting productivity and efficiency enhancements. Leveraging AI technologies from OpenAI, such as GPT-4, Copilot is designed to assist users with a broad range of tasks, from content creation to data analysis, within Microsoft's ecosystem of applications. Core features. 1. Integration with Microsoft 365, Word, helps with document formatting, editing, and writing. It can generate text based on prompts, suggest revisions, and help maintain consistency in style and tone. Excel provides advanced data analysis, generates insights, automates repetitive tasks, and creates complex formulas. It can also generate charts and visualizations based on the data provided. PowerPoint helps create presentations by suggesting content, designing slides, and ensuring coherence in the overall presentation. It can also generate speaker notes and provide design recommendations. Outlook aids in drafting emails, summarizing long threads, and managing schedules. It can also suggest responses and help prioritize emails. Teams enhances collaboration by summarizing meeting notes, generating agendas, and providing real-time assistance during meetings. 2. Natural language processing. Conversational interface. Users can interact with Copilot using natural language, making it easy to ask questions, request assistance, and receive contextually relevant responses. Contextual understanding. Copilot maintains context over long interactions, ensuring that responses are relevant and coherent. 3. Productivity enhancement. Task automation automates routine tasks such as data entry, email responses, and scheduling, freeing up time for more strategic activities. Content generation can create drafts for documents, emails, and presentations, saving users significant time in content creation. Data analysis provides advanced analytical capabilities in Excel, helping users derive insights and make data-driven decisions. 4. Collaboration and communication. Meeting assistance. In Teams, Copilot can summarize meeting discussions, generate action items, and track follow-ups, enhancing productivity in collaborative environments. Document collaboration facilitates real-time collaboration on documents, ensuring that all team members are aligned and have access to the latest information. 5. Customization and learning. Personalization learns from user interactions and preferences to provide more personalized assistance over time. Adaptability adapts to different workflows and industries, making it versatile across various professional environments. Applications. 1. Business and enterprise. Report generation automates the creation of detailed reports, including financial summaries, performance reviews, and project updates. Project management assists in managing project timelines, tasks, and resources, ensuring projects stay on track. 2. Education. Lesson planning helps educators create lesson plans, educational materials, and assessments. Student assistance provides students with research assistance, helps draft essays, and offers study guides. 3. Healthcare, medical documentation, assists healthcare professionals in drafting patient notes, medical reports, and documentation. Data analysis, analyzes medical data and research findings, providing insights that can inform clinical decisions. 4. Marketing and sales, campaign management, assists in creating marketing campaigns, drafting promotional content, and analyzing campaign performance. Sales reporting, automates the generation of sales reports and forecasts, providing insights to drive sales strategies. Ethical AI development, Microsoft is committed to the ethical development and deployment of AI technologies. This includes ensuring transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI systems, as well as continuously improving Copilot's ability to generate unbiased and appropriate content. Copilot represents a significant step forward in AI-assisted productivity, providing users with powerful tools to enhance their efficiency and effectiveness across various tasks. Its integration with Microsoft 365 applications and advanced capabilities make it a valuable asset for professionals in numerous fields. Conclusion: leveraging AI tools for enhanced productivity. AI tools, such as Microsoft's Copilot, OpenAI's GPT-4, Google's Gemini, and Anthropic's Claude, are transforming the landscape of copywriting, productivity, and various professional tasks. These tools offer advanced capabilities in natural language processing, contextual understanding, multimodal integration, and automation, making them invaluable assets across different domains. Future prospects: as AI technology continues to evolve, its integration into various professional fields will deepen, offering even more sophisticated and tailored solutions. Continuous improvements in ethical standards and contextual understanding will further enhance the reliability and acceptance of AI tools. In summary, AI tools like Copilot, GPT-4, Gemini, and Claude are revolutionizing the way we work, learn, and interact, driving efficiency, creativity, and innovation across multiple sectors. Their advanced capabilities, ethical considerations, and seamless integration promise a future where AI-assisted productivity becomes the norm, unlocking new potentials and opportunities. Thank you. For more information, read our blog link in description, visit our website, nicheur.com.